I'm great at telling jokes. I just can't remember them. We were both born and raised here in Sanford. We both, I think, went to Pinecrest Elementary, then Lakeview Middle School, which is now Millennium Middle School, and then we both went to Seminole High School.
That's right. Yeah, we split a different path in college. I applied to UCF. UCF decided that they didn't need me.
They had one. They
had
enough
one
Beverlys.
Beverly.
Yeah, enough Beverlys.
Yeah. I went to Seminole State College. It was Seminole Community College at the time I attended, and my degree was an Associate of Science in Automotive Service Management.
So after I graduated from Seminole High School, class of 2000, go Knowles, I went to UCF. That's where I met my wife, Christina, who takes care of our marketing. And your wife, Angela, is our bookkeeper, so we truly are a family business.
Yeah.
Graduated from UCF, went and pursued other endeavors for about 9 months, but then felt led to come back to the family business and been here ever since.
Working with my brother has been definitely a very, very satisfying, difficult, amazing, honest, all of it. I mean, I wouldn't trade it for anything, honestly. It's been great, and I look forward to doing it for a long time.
Same, yeah. Seriously though, there is a verse in the Bible that talks about iron sharpens iron, and I feel like that is what it is each day with us. I can rely on you, I can trust you, you're there when I need you, and I hope to be the same to you. In terms of our legacy at the end of our time in the business or at the end of our lives, I know that one thing that we would share is that Jesus was proclaimed through how we lived, how we spoke, how we ran the business.
Yeah. That's really our biggest motivation, our biggest driving force, sharing the love of Jesus. That's the best, easiest way for me to sum up my legacy desires.
We're in the joke. Okay, we're in the joke portion of the evening.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what do you call a camel with no humps? Humphrey.
Shoot.
Humphrey.